Welcome, friends. I'm Katie, and I am an educator at Duke Gardens. In the winter, food is harder to come by for animals. Some animals have adapted to wintertime by slowing down their bodies and not eating much or anything at all. Other animals, like birds that stay in our area, don't do that. They still need to find food. People can support our fluffy flying neighbors by providing food for them. You can make a bird feeder to put outside your home with just a few things. Gather peanut butter or shortening, a spoon or a knife to spread it with, bird seed, breadcrumbs, or oats in a small bowl, some string to hang your bird feeder, and find a pine cone or save an empty toilet paper roll to use as your base. First, tie your string to your base. Then, spread the peanut butter or shortening onto your base. Now, roll it in the bird seed or breadcrumbs or oats in your bowl. And now, your bird feeder is ready to hang up outside. Watch for who visits. What birds do you see? How big or small are they? What colors and patterns do they have? What do they sound like? Record your observations in a journal.